Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video I'm going to do a bloom with a pink background. I have some pillow paint that I'm going to use. It's a mist tint that I bought. It's eggshell, and I thinned it down with some Floetrol because it was a little bit on the thicker side, so I thought I would try thinner. And yeah, come and see how it works with some pinks, golds, a little bit of red, black cell activator. So come and join me. Hi everybody. I'm going to do a quick bloom on this tile. I'm trying out some, this is a mist tint that I bought, pink. I added, it was a little bit on the thick side, so I've added Floetrol. And when you let it drip like this, it disappears pretty quickly. So I'm going to try a thinner consistency. Okay, I might have a weird color combination here, but I've got Rust-Oleum Gold, Deco Art Copper, some, what red is that? Of course I didn't mark it. Where is my lid? Here it is. I did mark it. Cad Red Light. It's a Grumbacher. Okay. And a little bit of white Amsterdam. And I'm going to put the white on the top. So let me put some copper down. And then I'll put some gold. And I'll put some red. I don't usually put white, but I'm going to put a little bit of Amsterdam white. And black cell activator. I'm going to use my blower. Wow. That's gorgeous. Oh, I get amazed every time I do these. I really do. That's beautiful. It's just red, gold, and copper. And a little bit of white. Super. Super, super. Just, oh, wow. I'll hold it up for you. I know it looks really darker in the camera than it does in real. It's not really that dark in the middle. I'm going to go the other way. Whoa. So it only took a couple of spins to get it to cover because the paint is nice and thin. No, I'm not a fan of that, but it's okay. There. It's a little that lacing and those cells are awesome. I'll zoom you in. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think I'm gonna leave it. I like it the way it is. I love the black outlines. So there, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, hit the bell for notifications so you'll get notified when I do a new video. All right, have a good day. Hi everybody. Here's my dried bloom with the gold and pink background. Look how pretty that is. It's got a nice shine to it. Dried really good. Nice. Didn't move. Smooth. I think the middle's a little tacky still, but it's been 2 days. So there you go. Beautiful lacing. Have a good day, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.